And for more, let's bring in ABC News legal contributor and trial attorney Brian Buckmire for more. Brian, John O'Keefe's mother didn't testify during the first trial, so why have her testify this time around?
Yeah, Diane, this is a big plan by the prosecution that they're not only using the evidence they had in the first trial, but they're also trying to use evidence that they say is what's called consciousness of guilt. And what they're doing is they're actually using interviews of Karen Reed from all of the interviews and public speaking that she's done from the first trial to this one, and even before. And interestingly enough, they're using an interview from Matt Gutman in 2020 where Karen Reed says that she spoke to Peggy about what happened that day, and the prosecution is saying that's a lie, and instead that was a farce to take the SUV, the murder weapon as they call it, from the home of John O'Keefe and take it back to her home.
So, Brian, what are you watching for today?
So whether or not that video that I just mentioned actually does get into court should be decided this morning by the judge. So I'm looking to see what determination the judge makes, not only to this interview, but also further interviews that Karen Reed had given with or without her attorney to various media outlets. That's going to be, in my mind, the large difference between the first trial and the second trial, and how the prosecution weaves a narrative that what she said in those interviews could be damaging. Because Karen Reed didn't testify in the first trial, she may not testify in this trial here, but her words may be used against her regardless.
All right, Brian Buckmire, thank you.